After seeing the passenger cabin of the Boeing 737 MAX that I flew on, I was not surprised when one fatally crashed shortly afterwards, killing everyone on board. Sitting on top of an electrical outlet and having radio frequency Wi-Fi devices charging their batteries while streaming wireless movies is a very undesirable dynamic for the biological health of the passengers and aircraft crew. The problem is not Boeing, it is the corrupt government regulator. Subscribe our channel for more quotes. When I flew on a Boeing 737 MAX and saw that there were electrical outlets in every seat and the entertainment system was wireless radio frequency Wi-Fi streaming to passenger mobile devices, I became very concerned about the health and safety of these new airplanes. It is reasonable to think that the health and well-being of your family will eventually be damaged by the effects of corporate government deregulation. The problem when managers become fearful of their company is that you end up with unsafe workplaces. Deregulation is in the process of trashing some of the most prestigious brands in the USA, with Boeing being the biggest name so far. Had the government done its job of regulating Boeing, it is highly unlikely that the 737 MAX would have been globally grounded. While many blame Boeing for the fatal 737 MAX crashes, it was an expected outcome of government deregulation. I will be avoiding the Boeing 737 MAX for at least 2 years after it resumes operation. I will be avoiding the Boeing 737 MAX for at least 2 years. The ultimate vote of confidence in the Boeing 737 MAX would be for the USA government to buy one to fly President Trump everywhere in it. Till it resumes operation. Until I see President Trump routinely flying on a Boeing 737 MAX, I will be avoiding it. Health and safety fraud is part of the toxic corporate culture in the USA. The Boeing 737 MAX let the cat out of the bag that health and safety fraud is rampant in the USA. Having researched health and safety in the USA, I am not surprised that airplanes are fatally flying themselves into the ground and biologically toxic telescopes are being built atop secret Hawaiian mountains. It is unreasonable to expect unregulated scallywags to do the right thing. The 737 MAX is a minor problem for Boeing compared to the emergence of high-altitude diseases, HAD, in pilots, cabin crew and frequent flyers. The Boeing 737 MAX has become a classic example of the failure of deregulation.